celebration there. They get into the box for another goal.
We're back again. This be Football Made in Ghana. My name is Fentio Tahir Fentio. Today on the show, it be big because why? The Ghana football season is cancelled. The chum finished. The matter finished. The season finished. Make everybody go sleep. Yesterday, the GFA, they go do some meeting. 7 hours after the meeting, where they decided the football season, they cancel out. So right now, what be one of our options? That be the big question. How much this cancellation will cost us? What be the next move? So now when we cancel the thing, when we go start the next season? Plenty questions. The clubs too. Even the next season, if they come start them, what you go change then? What if the corona no really subside? What go happen? Who they play in Africa? Why? So the questions there, plenty. We go try find answers give you here on Football Made in Ghana. We get some answers also from the ESCO members. We go ask one of them, what went into the decision? They say some $2.2 million where it go cost them. But what be the details of the 2.2 million? How they come by that particular number? That be the first part of the show. Then, the second part of the show, we go play back the Ghana football season, especially the Ghana Premier League where it be like we forget, But not long ago, then we really they enjoy them. We go carry you. Some matches where they play this season where you say, but now you forget. We go remind you, we go show you some goals you never see before. We go look at our performance of the season, Yawa performance of the season, the Ogboshi performance of the season, the Yele +1 performance of the season. It not be now. So make it not go anywhere. Today the show really be packed. We get all the highlights, all the matches from the Ghana Premier League this season. All the fantastic games, we get all of them for you here on Football Made in Ghana. Make you not forget, as usual, the show it be live and interactive on social media. You go feel send me message. The number there on your screen 0550585832. I go read all your messages. Give you this show. It be your own. This be the only show where it be you the control what we do safe. All the messages I go read all of them. 0550585832. Where if they text me from, if they watch from outside Ghana. As you know, we did DSTV, channel 363. But now, my parties all for Nigeria, they watch. Yeah, Omo Nigeria also waiting to go on for day. Yeah, then Sierra Leone, down today. Jelayo, my people there. Liberia, my people there. Zambia, Angola, everywhere they watch us from on DSTV, channel 363. Make you send me a message. Make you just add the country code +233. This be Football Made in Ghana. Make you not go anywhere. When we come back, I go show you my skills. My skills there. That's it. Make it not go anywhere. This is all right, we're back again. The totals, You see, me, some players they get skills for other places, no be totals. Me, last I go to the beach, I see some guy, he play totals, he taking head the football and Kasana. If they say make you play, no go play. So me, I be like one of those people. The totals, not really they be like that. But if you come the football, you don't be there's some correct number 2 at the play, no be now. But make I introduce my guest today. Today, the show it really go be late. I go introduce the guest. Today, we refresh the guest small. But first of all, make I introduce the man you've come to know as a regular here. The lyricist, the analyst, the international relations analyst, the why. Nathan Kwao is back again with us. Obodai, Akwaba.
Yeah.
So right now you turn monk.
Yeah. So I start practicing my Eastern religion.
Okay. You go India before?
No.
You go Bangladesh before?
Nepal, Tibet, they head them place.
Yeah.
I think if you watch, it's like Ghanaian players day in Nepal. They say we're born and they play for that side.
I mean the
Monk 11 versus Charlie 11 or what?
Yeah. If you play football, the monks they play football. If monks they play football, if they come up before they go pass the ball, give you, then they go do this, then they go pass, give you, then you take out, then you do this, then you pass, then you go. When Ghana boys they chop, they take a bit play for the Messi for they win the best players, and nobody they understand. But you know why? Anyway, when I introduce my second guest, this man he come this show top before, but since the lockdown he go there house where he they grow afro. Ladies and gentlemen, make our come back, Mr. Felix Romack. if I want somebody make you talk about the Ghana Premier League, this guy be one of the perfect guys.
Fentio Tairo. Yes, sir.
But Nathan, I say I know. See, Allah, another one. Allah, you see, Felix,
Yeah,
Alpha.
Charlie,
I see you keep
a day.
Let's show you count one. Pass.
We are not in normal
They
times.
start to score House of Okuro.
Oh, like has go win the league.
Like who go
Like
win?
has go win the league.
Like has go win which league?
Oh, like has go win.
I see some tweets. Somebody say they save House of Oak from relegation. They
When no
cancel
report
the
give
league.
Twitter.
Yeah, they say they save you from
When
relegation.
no report give Twitter. With the signings when
Charlie,
you do.
welcome.
Charlie.
What then you they do? Because I see the football, the Premier League, you know, that you people, you really they cover the team. But the team,
Charlie, nothing
Just the
for.
sleep.
So not be sleep. At least you get opportunity. Say you go, watch some of the games. Because
Yeah.
sometimes if they report the games where you did the stadium,
You
they
don't
say
really
things
they
so-
watch the game.
But Charlie, when you say Charlie, now you have time to watch the 90 minutes and realize, say Charlie, hey, things happen for the game.
yeah.
Because
Yeah.
you go on type something or write something, then
you miss-
that
you
be the
miss
thing.
some
So this
action,
time also afforded there some times they make you. And aside that, Charlie, more of the GHU guys do give us, better content.
Yeah.
The quarantine and the COVID thing exposed a lot of us to Charlie. Aside this, what can we do? And
Yeah.
I want all the stations. I just say, Charlie, you guys, you force us. So,
yeah, boys really for step
oh
up.
Charlie. That are the game there, then raise the
Charlie,
bar.
the boys for step up, it don't be easy. But the thing you talk, it be true later. I mean, I just say you cover more matches. From my experience, make I tell everybody for here. See, if they watch me right now, if you go where something happened for some football match where they say, oh, what happened? When you want to call somebody, based on what really happened for the game. Make you not call your party with the journalists for there. Because make I tell you, give me the truth. If we there, if we go stadium say we dey go cover match, we know they get the match what. If the match be 90 minutes, the minutes we watch all, if you compile you don't go reach 40 minutes. I don't know about you, Nathan, but for me, because as the match they go on, you want to write your match report.
So
You for take
You
down
know-
things. So as you there, you dey write. You don't go feel they do this. So unless you look down. So if you look down to that, actually they go.
I said when the last match I go cover, the penultimate match I go cover,
Yeah.
I missed some goal.
You
I can look for the clip. I
you
don't
dey
get
pay pass.
You see,
Because
You don't get replay.
You see, say outside if you do commentary box self, you have small
So,
monitors
yeah,
with constant replay. So if you miss something, self, you go back.
watch,
Yeah,
But
but if you are not doing commentary,
I know
forget.
they do
But
commentary.
if you go, see when I press box, now you dey look for place, make sure say your laptop self
You go
charger
fit charge
still
down.
dey on, then some incident go count, then charge
Yeah.
you miss out. So the best people to give you correct info, those even watching at home
Yeah,
on TV,
of course,
because then
of
they
course.
watch the things.
Of course.
Charlie.
So I don't go lie you. There are sometimes you go the game, you did the stadium, but if you call your friend, they watch on TV, say, Charlie, this incident, what happened? Because you did there, no. It had no. I said me, the first time I realized if you really did, I said, they watch the game. The first time I go cover the AFCON in Egypt. That's when I realized the matches they watch. You did the stadium. Double header. They play one match before Ghana match. The match they play before Ghana match. You did the stadium the whole time, but you don't see 1 minute of the game. Because before your Ghana match, the things you do, it not be now in your mind say go watch football.
It hard.
You see,
How you go
when
know?
if you finish the way some game day on TV, self, you they do some more work.
You know of it.
Yeah.
They say- they say more
you
work,
cover
sir.
tournament before, you know
They
how
say
they
more website be after the game.
Oh, be after the game. Because you go chase
Yeah.
interview, you go come back, write match report, then if you
Hey.
for
But
send
you see,
some
Nathan,
voice
I don't know.
So
Maybe Fentio, the one thing I like about Fentio, most of the times if you try say we travel say with the cover
Yeah.
game, he dey write in match report as and when the game will go on.
That's it be show.
Yeah.
Me I start write the match report after first half.
Ah.
So you go write 1 half finish.
Yes,
Then
yes,
you go watch the
yes,
second half. So like
yes.
from 80th minute,
Then they wrap up.
you
start
finish,
the-
yeah.
piece them together small.
Then you
Unless
leave
some
space for the surprise.
Unless some major thing happen
Yeah.
late in the game.
But trust me, Fentio, after 90 minutes, now your man writing report finish.
Oh yeah. Me, if you give me maximum 10 minutes after the game, the match report for make ready. The only thing for add the intro then conclusion.
That be now.
Anyway, guys, welcome. Right now, I'm going to talk about what really happened on the trending topics for today. Yesterday, the GFA then go do some meeting. The Executive Council. The meeting lasted like, I don't know, maybe 7 hours. They finish where they can't release statements say the Ghana football season, then cancel up the season. Then they suspend them from March 15th to. Then the wait. People say cancel. People say this. People say cancel. GFA say no. We June 30 we go take the decision. June 30 then it be Tuesday, they take the decision be said then cancel the league. So we will go to the FA, then we will go ask one of the people where he sit through that meeting. Frederick Champon, he be executive council member. He sit through that entire meeting where I start asking him, say, the meeting people do what went into the meeting and the decision to cancel the league. This be what he talked with.
A lot went into it. Remember that with the fair decision on the league, whether to continue to cancel or truncate or whatever it will be, to 30th of June. I think that was about 2 months or 1.5 months ago, because we didn't know the decision and position of the government of Ghana vis-a-vis advice from the health officials in the sense. So, in fact, those days we thought that maybe by June 14th or thereabout, the government would have lifted the ban on the sporting activity. The reason why we scheduled at least 30th June. It means that if the government had lifted the ban on sporting activity earlier than that, probably we could have convened a meeting earlier than that and then, plan to continue the league. The fact that we delayed decision on this means that we're bent on continuing with the league because a lot is going into it. Club has spent money. The federation has spent money. I mean, a lot has gone into preparing for this season's league. So we really wanted to continue. But as it stands now, per the government decision, it means that the earliest we could have any positive decision will be the end of July. And there is no guarantee that even at the end of July, the government is going to lift the suspension on the sporting activity. What if the government then extends that? So we thought that even if government lift the suspension of sporting activity by the end of July, you would then have to go through the processes of getting football back. You would take the meet and maybe allow the teams to train around 6 weeks before the season can then continue, which would then take us into September, October, thereabouts. So we decided on all these things, and we thought that would be proper for us to cancel the current season and, if anything, reconvene later on and then plan towards commencing a new season, by which time probably the situations on ground would have been different.
So that be actually, he be executive council member. Yeah, the plenty things he talk. He say that thing, government say nothing will happen till July 30. The July 32, if we don't cancel when we wait, the July 30, they fix to extend them again. So they're waiting and waiting and waiting, not to help anybody. So this was like the most sensible thing they could do. We start ask them, some class say they no consult them. When some people say it go cost the GFA and the club plenty money, this be what he talk. You talk about the cost of this particular cancellation, how much you had to look at all of that. I mean, by your estimation as the Executive Council, how much do you think this cancellation is going to cost the GFA in terms of money?
Well, a lot. If you talk of the GFA, the clubs are members of the federation. The GFA is made up of the clubs, and go to the individual clubs. We're talking about the Premier clubs, Division 1 league clubs, the women's elite league clubs. A lot has gone into it. I mean, people have played matches, even paid winning bonus, yet alone, those winning bonuses are going to go for nothing because the players played and they deserve the winning bonus, but they paid winning bonus thinking that it will motivate the players to continue winning matches and aiming to maybe win the league title, place a particular position and that stuff. All this is going to go. And do not forget that beginning of the season, the Ghana Football Association had to advance money. I mean, give money to the clubs in Premier League, in Division 1 and then Women's League. And then our sponsors also, came up with some payment. Sponsors, Star Times, MTN, because do not forget that the cancellation of the season is not only limited to the league alone. The FA Cup matches is also inclusive, and so a lot is going into it, and the loss will be huge in terms of the larger football community, the Ghana Football Association and its members. I mean, the clubs and everybody involved with football.
So that be actually with all the loadout. Nathan, make I begin with you. I mean, the decision on Kasano, it happened. Like, it did do me like, then we all know say this be what will happen.
Yeah. Then no other option day really.
Yeah.
Because the money you go take play matches behind closed doors. We don't get.
Yeah.
If you watch European football, the protocols, breaks, they for spray, sanitize, they for keep players for hotel. We don't have that money.
2 tests per week or something.
That we know if we do. the main health people say they suffer. Then football people. We know if we do it. But I should say the FA then they won't give them a body some chance. Probably then some hope, small hope they say things go better. But as things no be there, nothing that they go fit do. Some people then they see the decision months ago when they talk, they make they end them like April. They say no. They go wedge, but it be like now they decide. So it be like as the season end, it be next season now we all for think about. But it be some decision where then it be almost inevitable. Nothing they go fit do about them. So I should say as the FA do them a calculation, they say Charlie that thing. We just for cancel them and see what we go do next.
I mean, Felix, because right now the way that thing it be like you don't really go fit questioning anything. It's just like it be the right thing them for do. Like it be the most reasonable thing them for do. Nothing else they we like they go fit do at the moment. But if you look at the fact that for 3 years now we don't really get champion, it a pain.
Yeah, Fento, it a pain. Especially looking at from announcing the expose, we went about a year and a half without football.
No
Financially, it had a big toll on our class because see, it is not just about even gate process. If you take a club like let's say Hearts of Oak, you sign players who had contracts running from the announced time. So it means that you paid for a contract with no work done after the expose time. Then maybe you go talk, say, okay, you make a fancy, you are good, make I renew your contract. Then I can't renew your contract. Then start leagues December. Will they play around 4 months? Then COVID say no. So imagine the losses, even if it is one player. And you are paying that signing on fee and you are paying salary. As for the winning bonus, there's no football, so no winning bonus.
Yes.
So I really they feel for the clubs. For the announcers, expose there, we go fit blame them no for the FA there. They go fit take the blame. But this one there was nothing the FA could have done because how many clubs go fit pay $80 per one test kit per player? And maybe on a match day you have let's say 21 or let's say 18 players. So that means 10 players is just $800. $800 so for a match, and you are supposed to test 2 weeks. And then we have clubs who the stadiums have not be their own.
So you see the safety process they for pay some money.
You see where the safety precautions are for the stadium because it not be your own. You don't know how safe the place have they for your
because you for
team.
Pay the owner money, make the owner maintain the place.
You understand? And already most of the national stadium clubs are paying close to 15,000 per game. Where you if you get positive before time maybe 3,000. So already then they run losses. So for me, I think say health wise now we don't make ready. So and life matters more than football. If you are, I'm sure that a time will come, even if this COVID day, we for learn how to stay plus some. So the best thing they should use this period, I should say by September. Because we can't also say Charlie, COVID days, so we don't play football.
Of course.
Before learn how to adjust.
So they should use this.
Yes, they should learn to see how we can adjust to this, coming back to playing our football. Me, my only challenge where I go fit talk we say if government go fit help the clubs because Charlie for the 3 seasons they don't make any money. And see, even when Europeans are even playing, how many players will clubs sell for Ghana? So maybe I sold one player $100,000.
Now if you get players signs the airport is closed. I know some team like Liberty, they sell like 3 players. The players still there.
Even if they open airport safe, now they say some list the EU people bring, they say we know they that list up. If you come Europe, some Basa.
So the clubs they actually they are now they think say maybe with the sponsorship money they can give them some small cash be let's say make I borrow you something if football resume your next money I go give you I go feel come start times they give the class $5,000 some people them are 3 matches money that they finish. Imagine say a team like Karela himself you not get it move from Enyinasi to Takwa. They go play Chelsea for Brekum. You go play Techiman City. You go play
Charlie.
Just imagine they give him $5,000 from December, January, February, March, 4 months. Friends, how much Karela they make for gate?
But this is sometimes I know the Bible. I mean, well, but I don't know my arrangement with the GFA. I hear say because the season it be halfway in. Well, almost halfway in. Left like 1 match, 2 matches for some clubs. They go reach the halfway stage. Well, if every club is entitled to like $50,000 or so per season, or they get only 5,000. What I hear be say, I be the general secretary. We host them. He say what happened. Be say they raise the expenses for the first round payment take go China. No? That time when the thing intensified for China, so they no fit process the payment finish. Where COVID strike. Wait, so the money no come. If not like by now.
In fact, COVID no the stop or electronic payment. No, they prevent electronic payment.
Is that the admin people they house? They know the fee.
That time they start them a quarantine.
So my problem is that's why they talk say it even
if not like by now, they can't forget
it even take me back to the start time though, because somebody will ask the start time though. If the start time Ghana, if they pay the money of start time global.
We start time global, but so also they get Ghana division.
But why say start time global for the pay for a contract with start time Ghana they run?
But the contract said they go sign for China. You know they here.
Oh, I mean, I'm not the protocols there. You go understand why they will go sign it. Maybe I don't be everything.
So
maybe everything will fit up for you. Maybe everything will go to fit up for you. But I'm sure that in the contract, instances like this, if they happen now, maybe there is a way they could go about it. But the clubs they suffer. If start time go fit give them some of the money, maybe they give them, because me, I not say my club they suffer.
Yeah,
I know.
Okay, so that be the thing about the Ghana football season and the cancellation and all that. We go take some short break, but your messages are welcome. 0550585832. If we come back, we go take it to Africa, because yesterday the decisions, you know, the GFA alone with them, they canceled things. So yesterday, CAF 2 have some meeting, some long meeting, then to they finish, they postpone, then cancel things. When we come back, we go tell you which competitions CAF suspend, which one they postpone, which one then cancel, and what go happen with all the qualifiers and everything. So make you not go anywhere. This be Football Made in Ghana.
Comprehensive news. The City Newsroom at 8 p.m. on City TV is your most engaging news bulletin on TV.
It's a very that's too bad. The youth are still throwing stones. They are still throwing stones here into our direction. And can I come in? I want to come in. Okay.
Telling your stories better with correspondents covering every corner of the country.
Getting access to potable water is a daily struggle for residents of Kakichekopi and Balekopi communities in the Ada East district of the Greater Accra region.
City Newsroom at 8 p.m. Very fluent with issues that concern you.
This inquiry me come from Mr. Rabbi. Someone has a bread. Told you kind of 1 week. What do you say?
Is it unfair? What all this? What all this? We are dying! We are dying! We are dying for Choco!
With City Newsroom, your community is now connected.
In this our community, all of us we are very sorry of this school. If we went to see the children, they are so small. Even my grandchildren are there. My grandsons are there. If they come out from the school, I have this.
Every day at 8 p.m., City Newsroom is live on City TV.
City TV is live on DSTV. Go to channel 363. On GoTV, access City TV on channel 182. On a digital TV, please press the menu button on the remote control and run a new search on your TV. Take note that without an antenna, you cannot access City TV on your television. City TV can be accessed on a free-to-air digital box like the GoTV and Star Times box. City TV, it's your world.
It's okay. Sasa, he finished.
To move video.
Sasa, he finished. My total's finished. Enjoy. Anyway, welcome back. This is Football Made in Ghana. Your messages come plenty. I go read some of them. Then we go move on the conversation. This one is from Zizanyo from Pando. Zizanyo says the GFA is right in my opinion, but I think them forgive the players some small coins. Please, the standard players, them drop. Charlie, they no drop. They still there. They still there. No be now. Clubs should use this break to put structures and facilities up to scratch. That one to be good because right now the pitches and things, see the rain plenty, the field grow the grass, regrow the grass, make nice. Correct one.
They get money paid. Clubs don't have money.
Make the players stand the farmers and do the ground.
Let's go weed. You said if you struggle pay me my monthly salary. Now I can't weed again.
I mean, it could be helpful because
unless maybe today when a training is weeding, so yes. They can't bring your
thank you. Today the training is weeding. You're training the arms.
The training on the arms, then go weeding.
Anyway, it will be sad if they fail to meet the club licensing criteria after this break. The GFA should encourage and support them. My name is Felix D. Yeah, so you're talking about the same thing. Okay, Nanansia, what's up? Who is Nanansia? Shout out to you all in the studio, making things happen for us to view. I feel your papastic trousers rough. Pumps this from Taifa. Peace, you say. Okay. Jerome from Church says the GFA should have ended this league longest crash. Sake of money, no day. Make hope say FIFA money go help small. We will talk about that FIFA money. Good afternoon, guys. This decision go John Malaji Grusawa. No relegation for him. CJ Sapon from Nungwa. Alpha, I just say right now, Alaji Grisa they do. Hey, Alaji. Because the decision there, if you be Alaji Grisa right now, you go. He call for the cancellation, don't be now. Alaji Grisa. Oh, Alaji. Salam alaikum.
But thank you.
Salam alaikum.
What was the reason? He go relegation, so what me? See,
what you know? If you be alive, you know what happen.
No, I will be happy, but I just hope say within this time you go work on the team because if the season resume again, and this time we won't be far. I believe that we go fit to say we did pre-season because at the show say by September, quarter November we start the league. So be there, be dancing. Hey, Alaji, the relegation too. They wait for you. Come, Alaji. Right, if you want Felix to talk, see, Faisal, look, if they like the league, we go free restart them to next year. If your team no good,
If it's true, mom, if it's true. Let me read more messages. Good afternoon, Tahiru and Nathan. I believe it's the best decision for football now. Our previous announced and current issues, we can't finish this season. When we continue and FIFA and CAF, our length will not spend on our football. At this era, it's only Europe, South America, or something. So, guys, it's best for us. Let's prepare and come back next season because government self no making mind say it go help. J Mark from Tema Community 18. Good afternoon, guys. This be Sefas inside Koforidua. Sefas says this one a league there. It go say them cancel them. He says CK of not the he said. Okay, he said of late something they in line with what one African counterparts they do, left alone European elites. All right. The more messages 0550585832 be the number. Now I'm going to talk about what happened in CAF. Yesterday, CAF 2 they hold some meeting where they take some decisions. The decisions see there your screen top. So we could begin with AFCON. AFCON 2021. Then it became Cameroon for host time. In January of 2021, CAF postponed up to January of 2022. The Women's AFCON 2020, now it be Congo then for host time in December. Congo pulled out. They said they don't get money host the competition. They pulled out last year. So CAF no get host at all, but the competition they come in December. Right now, CAF take the decision. They say the Women's AFCON, then cancel them. Then you go to the CAF interclass competitions, the Champions League and the Confederation Cup. They say they go now. The competition reached semi-final stage before the COVID struck. So right now, CAF say the Champions League semi-final they go Cameroon and they go try camp for there. Then they go play like tournament. So one match, the semi-final not be two-legged. One match. Then after that they go play the final to one match. Before then both be two matches. The same go happen with the CAF Confed Cup. That one, it go happen for Morocco. That one too, the two semi-final games, they go Morocco, they go play one match each, like tournaments, semi-final, you finish out. You win, you go final. That one too, one match, they finish. Then the CHAN then, if it happen for Cameroon in April, but it be match where they suspend all football. So the competition enough happen. Now CAF say that competition it go happen in January 2021. Now the reason that competition go happen in 6 months time be say that one the qualifying series then finish. They play the qualifiers finish. So the countries don't qualify, we know already. But AFCON, we don't know who qualify. Even the women's AFCON, we don't know who qualify. The AFCON qualifiers, we play only 2 matches. So that be the lowdown. More competitions they will CAF move them around. But this be like the key ones where you for know about. So this be the future of African football. So it means basically what it means is say we go play 2 AFCONs in consecutive years again. 2022, 2023. We played some before. 2012, 2013. The time then they switch from even to odd numbers, that sort of thing. Now we go do them again. Guys, we don't really get plenty time, but Nathan, quick thoughts on the decisions.
Yeah, I mean, I think say really the situation forced CAF them a hand. Nothing that they go fit do. Yeah. I just they wonder, especially how they go manage the AFCON 2022 and 2023. Because if we play the AFCON, say middle of the year, right? Even if it be early part of the year, safe where I mean you play whether early or middle. Later that year, the World Cup 2022 day, as the one today, Qatar they switch and go later in the year because of the heat and everything. So it means African players go play, or Ghanaian players probably they go play AFCON 2022. Probably go play World Cup 2022, then come play AFCON 2023. So it means the workload there go heavy particular year. It really go heavy.
Because the qualifiers today,
we for finish now.
World Cup qualifiers, the AFCON 2022 and AFCON 2023 qualifiers all day, then Olympic qualifiers all day within that period.
Friends, we go hard, but you know, earlier on, just as we talk, we say we know they normal time. So I should say psychologically, the players themselves, then go psych them and mind up, say, Charlie, this be how the season go day. Like we are ready for 2 years of non-stop football. But I should say in all circumstances, you know, medically then for they assess them, because if you happen to say stress self or fatigue self go setting. Whatever way, if you watch even the return of football in Europe, most of the players self then they return, then they pull muscles, then with no much activity being done. Then you expect say Charlie, then they play that long stretch, then you know we go pack them with games like that. But me, I am happy because it means that as a reporter or whatever it is, I get to cover more games, I get to enjoy more games. But I just hope that we do it in a way it will be beneficial to the players themselves.
Okay, so that be Felix right now. Moku throwback. The Ghana Premier League season, then the way the season they go, it excites me and Kasa way they cast it. You know me now. So what we will do is we go throw back to some of the moments. Moku begin with this category where we like to call the away performance of the season. But before that, if we get a league season, the way the season day before, then cancel them. We'll show you the table right now there. You see, before they cancel the season, the Nigeria Stars they top, they get 28 points.
After they cut, you know, with this, then they cut them a points and they take points from this.
You know, with them, the media then cut them.
Supposed to be league leaders.
The media then cut them a point. So this one we adjust them. We adjust them. So this be harder idea. I shock her. I shock to go day fit though, because check like the last 3 matches before COVID, then they really shit.
They were losing something.
Anyway, so this be like the confessor. You see why Charlie 6 points. 6 points from 14 matches. They don't win. They don't win 1. 0. That bet they get 0 wins.
You play 14 games.
14 games. But
I see the shocking part. They know say the board and fires out the play. To be honest,
they score goals.
If it only 6 teams then score goals more than Kinfesa.
You see,
their problem is defensively. You see, and trust me, one of the best games I watched this season was the game against, you know, a Great Olympics.
That madness for
5-4. So defensively, you can't be home and then you concede such a number of goals. It was very, very bad. So if Musa won't come back there for work on it.
There's some top scorers chat today. The players and then they score basa. I know be now. There. Charlie, Victorian can't overtake Yaya Mohammed. Oh, Charlie, we missed the Ghana Premier League. Victoria Adebayo, this boy.
I go watch the last game I watched for the league. So that they Inter Allies and Mediama for Accra. some guy come with. He said, "I'm the doctor. Adebayo, who be the Adebayo guy? Where you see Adebayo? I said, this guy don't know anything.
Wait for it.
Where Adebayo score? He said, hey, this guy the boy really know."
Anyway, so that be so there you have it again. Victoria Adebayo, Yaya Mohammed, Prince Opoku Ajiman, he be teenager, the same as Prince Kwabena do into the teenager.
16 years.
But Elvis Cheba for today, they have some season of his own. You see some Kifesa player there, Ibrahim Osman. Charlie, the score goes wrong.
He's a Kotoko player on loan.
Oh, okay.
At Kifesa.
Well, for the list
does the bottom name sound familiar?
The list inside one player with the entire 15-16 games of the first one of the Premier League, where he never get hype. Samuel Ama.
Samuel Ama, Inter-Allies.
Ama really help.
Yes.
We
go show you. We go show you.
In the Adebayo partnership with Deadly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So, Moku play back the games for you. First one, this category be the away performance of the season, where we choose some 3 games for you. First one, I really love this one. They come here to match the 3. A day Accra, House of Folk versus Kumasi Asantu Kotoko. House of Folk versus Kumasi Asantu Kotoko. Charlie, me, I don't go talk. Just enjoy. Enjoy.
This can be dangerous. It's a goal. Justice play. Kotoko up by 1 goal to 0. And I just mentioned it. Now take a look at the movement. What a ball. What a ball that was. What a ball that was. Here is Kotoko's Mudasiru making inroads into Asafok territory. Mudasiru! What a miss. Great performance. Ball deep into Kotoko's territory. Joseph Oso! The Phobians have equalized. As the ball comes in there, nobody really dealing with it well. It takes a deflection, and it's an awkward deflection. They headed onto the crossbar by Esso on the rebound, headed it into an empty net in there. And the Phobians are leveled in Accra through Joseph. Here is Matthew Enim Kujo. Oh, lovely skip from Enim Kujo. What a save from attack. Good save from goalkeeper. Again, Nana. Yeah. So Matthew Kujo hits it. It was a feeble shot though. Then he say there's a penalty. He gets the block. He gets in the block by the outstretched. Referee whistles. Keita. It's a goal.
Fabulous. Sorry. Charlie, performance of the season, this match, it not be the win for Kotoko alone. It be the entire, there were key performers. The small boy, Matthew Kujo, then there was Richard Atta.
Richard Atta is saved. That was the save of the season.
Yeah.
But you know,
the Mudasiru.
That be introduction to like more people.
I know they really won't go even into the details of the game. But look at the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Then I never expected, say, the Accra Sports Stadium will be fully packed like that. Especially when, as a folk, then take like 3 days or so, special the tickets for the game. And it tells you how, impressive. And I should say, with this particular game, we make people bring, the excitement, bring back the love, then everything.
The small boy, you see, we get some picture of the small boy where they collect money.
They make money. They have 640,000 or something.
Yeah. I think 423,000 Ghana cedis. That grows, they make like 640,000. GRA, they take tax for the park tour.
Of course, they bring back.
They bring back. They know where to make us take the money, go, they take the money. They know, then they take them attacks. So in times like this, in this COVID time, make they help the clubs.
After that, Matthew Kujo collect plenty money. Move on. Here be another one for you. This one, with the plan for some reasons. Chelsea versus Inter-Allies. Become Chelsea, then they be the team that get the best form for the league inside. The ship has Kotoko away. The ship has away. The ship has to go away. But then they play home against Inter-Allies. Where some guy from Niger, Victorian Adebayo, he go there, he said, not here. Enjoy.
Golden City Park.
Who steps up for Allies? Adebayo! But let's see where the wall is set. Did the wall do his job? No, he didn't. And goalkeeper, absolutely. Interlife again with an opportunity. Samuel Ama has made it 2 for Interlife. Just on the run of play. Some urgency is currently being seen in the Chelsea approach. Lovely drive, beautiful goal. Great goal by August from this range. Augustine Nene takes one touch, second touch, lines it up and lashes it. But you're expecting the goalkeeper to be doing a lot better from this. I love to watch this over and over and over again. There he goes, whop, to the legs. Adebayo to Zachary, he gets a return. Here is Adebayo, not sit down into the box. He turns around Abedu. Here is Adebayo! Oh, goodness me! Magical from Adebayo! Oh my word.
Yeah. Adebayo, I don't want to recreate the goal. I don't want to recreate the goal. He do this. He do this. Wait. He do this. He do this. He do this. He do this. Wait. He do this. Wait. He do this. Wait. He do this. Wait. He go. Charlie. Adebayo. Proper baller. Later.
Yeah. Very, very, very good guy. You know what I'm saying? This be the game where it make people realize it. Then the plan really makes serious for the league inside. The skill and the goal. The second goal, they're definitely. If it be Messi or somebody scored this goal, there's a Puskas award and things. But this the goal where they score for Ghana. Despite see some park when they play for them. Despite the poor nature of the park, still players if he deliver some fantastic moments of magic.
Okay, so that be the thing. Then we get some. Hey, Adebayo, proper baller, proper. He was of course to be named the best player in the league, like by far, easy decision. Where Kofi comes right. Then we get some other one give you Wafa to host, then host Liberty. You see Wafa, they say, oh, they be the champions. If they the player, oh, nobody go feel win for them. But the host Liberty professionals, the things he go on for there. Only God knows. There will be some Wednesday evening or Friday evening match after hot afternoon like that. Where Charlie Mubarak Al Hassan he go cause havoc to his former team.
They give out the ball. Here is Elvis Chamber for Yadom. Was there contact or not? Wow! It's a penalty for Liberty.
But take a look at how he uses his body to get ahead of his man.
So that's Elvis Chamber.
And there it is. Is there enough? Right in front of his man, right there.
So let's look at this.
Yeah.
Elvis Chamber for
that's sure
he made the move in front of Yadom.
Yeah.
But Yadom couldn't control the movement of his. Whistle goes, steps forward. Oh, that's a brilliant goal. It's Liberty up by 1 goal to 0. At the Wafa Park in Sogakope, it's Wafa 0, Liberty 1, Elvis Chamber 4 on 20 by the eye.
And then slaughtered it smoothly home. That was a beautiful sports kick taken. Lovely and nicely dispatched.
On start times, go grab your decoder and enjoy football in HD. Wafa with an equalizer. What a goal! This is awesome. Wafa have the equalizer
to go with it. And the beautiful ladies are happy.
Lovely play from Liberty. Now they can search forward. Could this be an opportunity for Liberty? Chamber for Apedu against the side post. Liberty! Awesome! It's Liberty professionals too. Just look at how he delivered. Created space for himself.
Yeah.
He initiated the move.
Yeah.
Chamber for went in.
Lovely hold up play by Chamber for late of Apedu, who struck that one properly. Was it?
Awabu Iniesta, Mubarak Al Hassan with the rebound. He signed away from there. Where he go back, he go discipline them. Felix.
Yeah, Charlie, one of the best games this season.
Then the game really
there wasn't any buga. They played very good football, and I really like it. So that's why I asked myself, if we return, can we get the same excitement?
We can. Because remember the 2016.
We go get. I guess the president we go get. Make we also use this period. Now they say the referees then get communication gadget. Make them quarantine them body plus the gadget. Because they won't make them come back the other controversies. See some penalty. See that penalty. Maybe if the linesman was in a better position, you go feel spot and communicate to us.
We'll go move on to another category. This category, and I like call them the Yawa performance of the season. The Yawa performance of the season. Some games you really they expect some people to compete where they don't compete. The first one be this one you see on your screen. Ashanti Gold, Charlie high flying, they go visit Wafa. Nana, Felix, this match, then me at the Accra Sports Stadium, they watch some Hearts of Oak game. The results just they come like somebody they pour Gary inside water.
This was like 5-6-0. 6-1.
6-1. Okay, 6-1. Oh, okay.
Wafa boys. But then be like this game. Then Ash Goddard had played some games some few days earlier. I don't know say if that's attributed to that shameful performance on. But you know one thing about Wafa, if they are in their groove. If you like go ask across of folk,
it's just like every season they get somebody to go
give them that 5-6. No, if they then them a groove inside there, if you don't make like you go fit take like 4, 5 or 6, and I wasn't surprised. Poor defending, everything was off for Ash Gold this particular game.
So there, the results. Abukari, one of the most experienced members of this squad, he converted. I don't make mistakes. So then ship their people. Ashanti goal 6. Proper one, like this be proper beating. Here's the safe goal. Enjoy. Panyai. No Messi.
Nobody might come for
no Messi.
If they score like that, you know if they argue over the scoreline.
No, this one they be proper beating. Charlie, the Wafa boy. So that be all. Wafa. Charlie Wafa, those boys. Charlie, this season they don't really force for home. They like they don't get plenty wins for home, but. If they get you as Felix talk, there's always the one thing they go get them. Sometimes they get Hearts, they get the Jana, they get Ashanti goal. Anyway, we could move on to another Yawa performance of the season. And I say Yawa for one team, awesome for the other. This match, they say it be one of the biggest derbies in Ghana football history. Two teams, big rivals. Accra Great Olympics versus Accra Hearts of Oak. Hey! So everybody charge. See, yeah, they come boot for boots. You know, so they come boot for boots.
Landlords,
langars, and things. And then play the match finish. The results, you not check like it be any competition. You just watch the highlights.
For the Phobians, Kofi traps on his chest. Can he shoot? Kofi shoots. Keeper saves. Esso! There is the goal. Well, that was a lovely ball. That's Kofi Koji's lovely take on the chest because he really pushed the ball right in his path. And that shot was almost a shot or a cross. Lovely pass to Joseph Esso. Can he send a decent cross? He does, but not decent enough. Not cleared out of total danger by Olympics. Happy to that's the second goal! Benjamin Afutu! He makes it 2 for the Phobians. Yeah. And there you see the goal there. On attacking third, you thought Accra committing a lot of bodies into the box. Take a look at Afutu at this point. He's not making his way into the box. Not the best of crosses from Esso, but it's not dealt with well by Dungo Fori. But still, Afutu had a lot to do from here. He has to check for his troubles. The Phobians have a third goal. Benjamin Afutu makes it 3 for the goal. And even he again can celebrate. Conceded. He remains Olympics #1. Next delivery. Would this be the first goal? Banya!
Daniel! The rats have sleep. He said he enjoy. Charlie, Nathan, this match, your friends, Nathan, we can tell you some secret. The whole of this season for the history, Nathan, the fixture, if he take he said one Olympics they play.
I like Olympics.
But if you go there, they lose.
Yeah, after every Olympics that my game, if the results no go, I just go Facebook, go read, what's the name, the woman on the FA.
Now the phone.
And just go read in comments because if it that hard, Olympic supporters.
Then this is really be your performance.
They don't try. Because you can't say they rush up before this game. You say they go score hands, something. So see the body go please. They asked to.
The day of the match, Langabell was here.
Then they asked to perform.
And at that time, then Charlie pressure they have. They don't feel win matches. They don't feel score goals. See, they make half chop easy 3 points. They give them 4 goals. Olympics anyway. Season. You know, be this match where I know Walker wear that in shorts. Even this match, that be the match where I know Walker bring that in one bring to a shorts. I made some FA of officials when they tell me say why are they doing? I say oh, Premier League. If you wear that shorts, they can watch them. What?
The shorts, you go fit pocket like 5 abolo for inside.
The shorts big pass. Big pass.
Anyway, so we can move on. As I thought, we go try playing plenty games. We can move on to from No Mercy or Yawa performance, we will go to another category. This one be the Yawa game of the season. That was Yawa performance. This one be Yawa game of the season. And there's only one match. This one, it not even be the highlights, but we go show you the highlights, then we go talk about why it be Yawa game of the season. It was Aduana Stars versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enjoy.
So Flavian Kwasi wins the man of the match. Again, Bio goes past Nete. Bio! Samuel Bio has broken the deadlock at the twilight of this game. What a goal, what a attempt to score it, and it just filled the atmosphere here in the stadium. Bio beating Nete, not once. That's more here, and it's more forced kindly to him. It's fortunate, but it's an incredible goal. He was trying to pass it, forced back into his back.
Nathan, the results here.
We all know the result. Why be the Yawa match of the season to say the two teams start the match with 10 players each. 10 players each. Where the 11th player they warm on the side, he pumps on side.
So no red card.
No, they're not giving red.
Nobody hurts.
No, but
they get 11 players, all right.
Yes.
But in their wisdom,
because as they go look things inside, they tell them say the first team where you go play with 11 players, they go lose the game.
The Yawa unprofessional game of the season. The Yawa unprofessional game. Me, you know,
Felix, what be your recollection of this game? Then when you did, as you hear say this be what they go on, then what really go through your mind?
You know, I think before.
There is a midweek game.
Yeah, before 1 hour to the game, then me and they look for team sheet to do my update. Then the sheet not they come. So I call people. I even call start time. The guys say, "Charlie, I don't need yes, Charlie." You know, nobody even want the other team to see say, "Oh, if these players, then they start the game." Then all of a sudden they can't start the game where we post count the players.
Martin Elchi.
Player there.
Martin Elchi.
Then
he don't go enter.
The player they come out to the capture the Diana player. The Diana player to the wait. If he enter, it will go enter. They go make 11. So they decide say, you know what, make you go. But I think to ask myself, as a coach, was it a coach where he take the decision or the team manager where he take the decision?
You don't say video
because if you be team, if you be coach, you always expect you will get even a numerical advantage over your opponent. Yeah. So now then I say one play plus 10. Let me go in with my 11 and make I go take my 3 points and leave them.
But the thing not be simple like that. Because the movement Adriana will go with 11.
So if you be coach, if they believe the superstition of
they ask Maxwell, you can't what he thought. Yeah. They ask him about if they're 11. He said something, you know, one answer.
He said, I can't answer that question.
No, we answer that question.
This is not professional.
I can't explain that.
No, you see, but meanwhile, they do the hour all finished because of way play plus 11 players first. You know, they force them make the 11th player enter the park before Adriana.
But still, the fact that maybe the rules allow you to start with even less than 11. No, the reasons that and then what we knew about the game, the challenge, they be very, very bad. Yeah, one of the season there, the two teams then take up no challenge.
That be the thing about the Ghana Premier League. There's always moments like this.
You don't talk about them at travel time.
Where they when they go past.
They love Kumasi, Budon, go past Cote d'Ivoire.
3 hour journey turn into 5 hour journey.
The big guy something. So now the time they has them Wafa, where they tell us if they cross the Sogakofe bridge, then go take like 5 minimum. So as to they don't pass the Soga, then go pass the Togo inside, come pass.
They still come take 5.
No, before as them go, no, the results, no. The minute just go to watch that game, then put the results for the junction. See that rough road to them. Then write Wafa 2 has 0. The 2-0 then go take up. So for the Togo 3 ball, it's still go take.
So here, this is my favorite party they come. We get some Yawa interview of the season give you. Yawa interview of the season. But before we go show him, no. Maybe I just read like 2-3 messages. Eugene from Clagon says France could not finish their league sake of COVID, and Ghana was expecting 2. Question. This one says, since the president lifted the ban on social gathering, Uncle Grusa has been going to the mosque daily to pray just to avoid relegation. Prayers do work indeed. Eugene as well. The decision took the decision the GFA took was correct because there's no time and there's no money. That be where you got more money from the Upper West region in Tumu. Then he be my senior for secondary school. Oh, wow. I'm Daniel from Jakiti. Thank you. I'm really enjoying the show. Chelsea will win tonight. Okay. Say to Adamu, say, make I tell Romax, say, the show, it be pitching. So, make you come out there with your UK language. Richie Holmes says, Red Tamale United know the league, so I don't care. Okay, well, interesting. The fact that you can say players should read tells us how terrible our league is and the kind of value we have for our players. Oh, Charlie. Free Fine Sherman says, you guys, they make listen to you so nice. Keep it up. Football made in Ghana. Okay. Tushim Panap from Tongo says the GFA should have crowned King Faisal as champions of the Ghana Premier League. But you see, here, this interview here, Ashanti Gold can't play Hearts of Folk. Yeah. The match end 0-0. Daniel Efrie, he missed plenty one-on-one chances. After, they ask him, why? They miss one-on-one chances like that. Here was the explanation.
Game, like when you get a chance, every blessed player will decide to score. And the goalkeeper also will decide to catch the ball. So when you both decide together, then you miss the chance. I decide differently, and he also decide differently. And our decision was together. That's why he was able to catch the ball. So I think next time, I raise my head and watch the goal post and put the ball inside.
Next time, I raise my head and put the ball in the back of the net. Challenge, play again, I beg. Play again.
As for a game, like when you get a chance, every blessed player will decide to score. And the goalkeeper also will decide to catch the ball. So when you both decide together, then you miss the chance. I decide differently, and he also decide differently. And our decision was together. That's why he was able to catch the ball. So I think next time, I raise my head and watch the goal post and put the ball inside.
Thank you. Did you have a second chance? Me imagine say me call say and I keep on so name is imagine echo pepe and I come and I next time me chance na me mama tisu na me not na I saw him after the game. It was after the Olympics game. I said, you know what, in the Premier League when you are granting interview, nobody force you. If Ellie asks you a question in English, speak free. You see it in the foreign league because in Messi, if you Portuguese you won't speak, you go speak.
But the matter be outside the grant interviews for Spanish.
But the matter in Chi no really be confusing like that too. Yeah, you shy. Like if it's something,
so the keeper just guess
where
he guess that be all he wants. But something.
This remind me about one PSL game in Saturday where the guy said, "Oh, I want to thank my wife, my girlfriend."
Good afternoon, football doctors. I'm sick of sports. I got killed by your sports. Particulars from Gambaga in the northeast region with that message. That be how we go wrap up today's edition of Football Made in Ghana. Nathan, thank you very much. Felix, but here we have named it the decision theory. Next time you take a decision and it doesn't go well, this is the explanation you should have for your bosses. Thank you very much. Until next time, make you take care of yourself.
As for a game, like when you get a chance, every blessed player will decide to score. And the goalkeeper also will decide to catch the ball. So when you both decide together, then you miss the chance. I decide differently, and he also decide differently. And our decision was together. That's why he was able to catch the ball. So I think next time, I raise my head and watch the goal post and put the ball inside.
There again to Vospa, another goal!